Okay, today we're going to be changing the Serpentine belt, the tensioner, and the idler pulley on the Acura 2012 TL. So first steps, we're gonna get rid of this piece. Once you're here, you're gonna get a 14 mil and just pull back on the tensioner, take off the belt. So now I'm just pulling it to the left. That gives you enough room to pull off the belt. There we go. Now you can release the tension. It was a 14 millimeter, by the way. And take out the belt. Good way to figure out if you need a new belt is you bend it backwards. You see all those cracks. Yeah, it was about time. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is crack all the lug nuts loose and then jack up the car. Alright, now we're gonna jack up the car. So, right in the middle, spot you want to jack it up from is right there, that open with the little hump. Next up, jack stands. Okay, next up we're gonna have to get rid of this piece right here. It's just a little clip right here that you have to take off. And there's also one more clip under right here. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm gonna get that next and then we should be able to pull it out. Alright, after taking off the panel and just moving it aside, we have, alright, so there goes the Allen key and then there goes the 10 mil bolt. Just go ahead and loosen those out. What I would do is go from the top and crack it open, and then from the bottom just ratchet it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off and then we'll see what happens next. There we go, and the Allen key. I mean, I guess you could call it a hex key, but yep, there you go. Just listen to this right here. Yeah, I don't think that sounds too good. Alright, I'm gonna put the other one in reverse order, and then that's about it. Alright, so Serpentine belt is on. I found it was easiest to first put it around the crank pulley, then the pulley under the alternator, then over the alternator, and then on the last part you get somebody to help you pull back the tensioner, and then you put the belt under the tensioner, and then you're good to go. Start. Alright, we're about to start it up. Oh yeah, looking good. No squeaky. Alright, that's it. So basically what I did was I put on the crank pulley, then around the AC compressor, and then onto the alternator, and then the last part I pushed that back and then slipped the belt over the tensioner. And yeah, good to go.